welcome to Alicia May Homemade. What is up, guys? It is your girl Alicia and you are watching Alicia May Homemade. I am finally doing it. I have bought everything that I want to do to make up my third bedroom. I'm so excited. I bought stuff from Amazon, from Ross, Burlington. I went and found a lot of things to go into this room. Now, I haven't told you, but I do want to turn this room into a guest room slash my studio, so a place where I can come to do my DIY creations and just come and talk to you. So I really wanted to make over this room, and that is what I'm doing. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. So let's get started. So this is how this room looks as of right now. It's kind of like my catch-all room. I use it as a storage, as whatever it is I need it to be in the moment. Right now I'm using it as my studio. That's my little crafting area, although I don't really use it for that. And a bedroom for when I have guests over. So I just wanted you guys to get a before view. This was the original color that was painted here when I bought the house 2 years ago. I do not want to paint. This room is a fairly big room and I'm not a fan of painting. So I decided to just work around the paint color. I don't not like it. It's not my favorite, but it is what it is and I don't want to paint. So I just decided to find things that would accent the color, and there we go. With a boho chic style. As you can tell, I love boho chic. It is on my balcony. You have seen parts of my living room is boho chic, so I'm bringing it downstairs to my third bedroom. It is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to get started, so here we go. This plastic wrap was giving me a hard time. I always wanted to be on The Price is Right. Look at my little hand skills. Yes. This is Bedazzled. This is the duvet that I brought from Amazon. I don't know if you can tell, but this is so stinking cute. But you know, I just realized that I did not buy any sheets to go with this. So I'm gonna have to use the sheets that I had on there already to make my bed up. And it came with 2 pillowcases. Can you see? Look at that, it's so cute. Let me give my camera some time to get it together. So that's 1 and 2, and these are really soft. These are so nice. Sure that you use a level. Trust me, it will make your work look so much better when your pictures or the things that you are hanging up are leveled. So pretty. I love this. I love this. So let me remind you how the room looked before. This was my catch-all room, my storage room. I threw any and everything in here to get it out of the way and out of my sight. So like I said, this is how the room looks before.